Greetings everyone. This is Mohammad Rakib Hassan Khan. Today I am going to demonstrate how you can convert an app module to a library module. So let's get started. First, go to your build.gradle file. Then change your plugin ID com.android.application to library. Then delete your application ID and hit sync now. After completing the sync, go to build and click make module library app. The build is completed. Now go to your Android Studio project and go to app folder, then build folder, then outputs, then AAR. Here your .aar library is ready. Now you can use this library to your Android Studio project. To use your .aar library to your existing Android Studio project, go to File, click New, then New Module, then browse to import .jar or .aar package. Click Next, then browse your library, then open the file, then hit Finish. Wait for the library to sync with your project, then go to your settings.gradle file and make sure the name of your library is showing to your project. Then go to build.gradle file and add this line and sync now. After completing the sync, you can see we are able to use the library with our existing Android Studio project. Now if you try to run the project, you will get manifest merger failed error because you cannot have multiple Android theme attribute to your Android Studio project. Your Android Studio project has a Android theme attribute. Also your library has a Android theme attribute. So delete Android theme attribute from your Android Studio project and run now. You can see our application successfully run. Now if we click the open library button, we can see the application using the library and showing the hello world I am the library activity. Thank you.